How selling over sticker price puts future sales in jeopardy. IRA also critical to Pentagon sourcing needs, and Mazda's shift upmarket. Good morning, I'm Kristen Strakalaitis. Welcome to First Shift. More on those stories in a moment, but first, Tesla plans to build a new factory in Shanghai to make megapack batteries. In a tweet, the automaker said the plant will be capable of producing 10,000 megapacks per year. The plant also will allow Tesla to take advantage of China's battery supply chain in hopes of increasing output and lowering costs to meet the rising demand of energy storage globally. Xinhua reported from a signing ceremony in Shanghai that Elon Musk's automaker will break ground on the plant in the third quarter and start production in the second quarter of 2024. The Inflation Reduction Act is all about getting EV makers to source their batteries and battery metals and components in North America. But there is another angle to the IRA. Those critical EV minerals and metals are also vital to the U.S. military. Here is what Automotive News editor Lindsay Chappell had to say about how EV making and national security share an interest.
China has lately been shaking its fist at the United States, and yet we rely on China for all this stuff. Maybe we could find some other stuff somewhere else that it not only assures the free flow of the manufacture of electric vehicles, it assures the free flow of these components to the U.S. Defense Department.
You can read more on Chappell's column on autonews.com. Having someone pay more than the sticker price for a vehicle may not benefit dealers and automakers like they may have thought. Market research company GfK survey results showed 27% of customers who paid more than the sticker price would never buy that brand of vehicle again. 31% of buyers charged above the sticker price told GfK they'd advise other consumers to avoid that dealership, and 29% plan to never use that retailer for service. Despite LiDAR maker Luminar Technologies' $400 million loss last year, it has a bright outlook on its future profits. Austin Brussel, Luminar CEO and founder, discussed how a move into the insurance business will get his company's tech on more U.S. cars. He says, "We have our business selling LiDAR systems and software, but insurance is clearly such a critical part of the overall car ownership experience," and says expanding upon different layers of software and services to create additional value will give Luminar the opportunity to make some serious revenue and profits. Luminar also plans to build a new manufacturing facility in Mexico that will develop a new line of automotive sensors. The new Mazda CX-90 may be an opportunity for an upmarket shift. It's the brand's most expensive vehicle, with 7 of the 11 total trim packages priced above the average price of the outgoing CX-9, the current flagship crossover. Stephanie Brindley from S&P Global Mobility says the CX-90 allows Mazda to move in a direction the brand needs to target more profitable vehicles in car segments. For more on this story, check out the print and digital editions of Automotive News. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.